Have you guys been using the Character AI app and you have signed out from it and wondering on how to log in back on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into the Character AI app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Character AI app. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now to log in, simply tap onto the account that you have signed in from. If you have signed in from the Apple, now simply tap on it. And if you have signed in from the Google or email, simply tap onto one of that. Now simply tap onto the account that you have signed up before. So I have signed up from the Google, now I will tap onto Google. Just right here. Now tap on to continue. Now choose the account that you have signed up from. Then tap on to continue. And now here we can see you have been logged in into it. And that's it. This is how you can log in into the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.